In the midst of my life as a busy entrepreneur, self-care is really important to me. So here are 5 products that I utilize in my bathroom that I can't live without. The first thing is a Turbie twist. So this is a towel that's cut in a way that it wraps around your head and holds your hair in place while you're doing whatever you need to do. So as soon as I get out the shower, I put it around my head. And then I stick the end through this little elastic in the back, just like that. What this allows me to do is to put whatever I need to on my face, lotion myself up, and then get dressed. And by the time I'm done getting dressed, you can put it on as long as you want. In my case, by the time I'm done doing everything, it's the perfect amount of time for me to get into fixing my hair. After I do that, I utilize this product by Monat. It's called Leave-In Conditioner, and it has a little pump where everything comes out, and I just pump it into my hand, and then I rub the leave-in conditioner into my hair. And whether I'm keeping my hair up or down, it's just a really great way to keep my hair moisturized, regardless of any other product I might be using in my hair. The next thing is, after I put my hair up, I utilize this Perfect Edges. Perfect Edges is a really dense gel, I guess you could say, that helps for your flyaways to stay flat to your head. So as you can see from my hair right now, I've used the towel and done other things today, so it might not be perfect, but my flyaways are chilling. So this is really great if you're going out and it's kind of windy. You can keep this in your purse or your bag, so that way you can always be camera ready. As soon as I'm ready to moisturize my face, I utilize jojoba oil. I've been using this for several years. These are the 2 different brands that I use. I use another brand too, but I'll leave them in the links below. And I just rub it on my face as well as on my body to keep myself moisturized. And then I utilize gua sha, is usually in this particular shade. The purpose for this is to drain any fluids that are in your face. The lymphatic system usually drains here at the collarbone or at the armpits, so you want to make sure that you're pushing fluid down. And what this does for me is it helps to keep my skin a lot tighter on my face. So after I put on the jojoba oil, I'll just rub the different areas of my face and push everything down toward my collarbone. So that way all the fluids get moving. And I do this just for a couple minutes, and it feels really good. And like I said before, keeps my face looking tighter. So those are the 5 products that I cannot live without in the bathroom. Once again, it's the Turbie Twist, the leave-in conditioner, Perfect Edges, jojoba oil, and the gua sha. Hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Depending on where you're viewing this, you can get the links for any of those products in the description, my bio, or wherever you can click links. Talk to you soon. Bye.